All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. We're here with number 13. I like this question a lot. There is a math, I shouldn't even say math, there is a geometric way to approach doing it, and then a physics way. It should be physical, but I just want... There's a way that you will do this problem in physics, and they're almost identical, but there is a little nuance, so I'm going to do this question two different ways. So, here's the stable, and they leave at 10, and Mary goes south for some distance. So Mary's in black there. And Larry gallops east at a faster rate. How far apart were they at 11:30? I'm assuming a.m. That's a bad part of the question. You would need to know. But let's just say it's 11:30 a.m. Well, how many hours did they go? From 10 to 11:30 is 1.5 hours. Mary is going 10 kilometers per hour, so I got to do 10 times 1.5, and that gives me 15 kilometers. See, in geometry, I'm only used to working with triangles whose sides have lengths. Okay? And for Larry, we got to do 1.5 hours times 16 kilometers per hour. Notice what that does. That cancels hours, and we're just left with kilometers. And 1.5 times 16 is 24. And so to find the hypotenuse, I would do 15 squared plus 24 squared equals h squared. Sorry. So you get h squared is 801 square root, and you get about 28.3. So that's how far they are apart at that point. What's my units? Kilometers. Okay? Now, in physics, you're going to learn that the units just stay the same. So, if this one is 16 kilometers per hour, and this one is 10 kilometers per hour, what if I just did the Pythag with that? So that would be h squared is 10 squared plus 16 squared. So you get h squared is 356 square root, and you get 18.86. Now hold on, these are not different. This now, from physics, I will learn that the units stay the same. So that is 18.86 kilometers per hour. What does that represent? That represents the distance that these two are, the rate at which the distance between these two things are changing. So if I did 18.86 kilometers per hour times 1.5 hours, the hours cancel, and now we're just left with kilometers. So times 1.5, and what do we get? Lo and behold, 28.3 kilometers. Two great ways to do this great question. Hope that helps, Carson.